Hello family, good afternoon Lipogara. Sorry, long time post up go now. Me no thinking of making some video, but me just come to good location where me na shoot on the video lem. So me run some lo me around yet na me but throw my own bali go some talk advice, so kind of financial advice or like that. Some lo this some kind of websites we go run around. It's some kind of scam websites where you know you go watching video, one the video na you see some kind of dollars, kinas, like that. This kind of websites, some me talk straight to some. If you get across, you are searching for how to make money online and you get across such websites, don't believe such websites. Don't believe it because they just need visitors to visit their website and such things to make their site like look like a busy site, gain views and such that for their own personal gain. They want to get your IP address and your location and such that. So don't waste your time to go in and sign up using your email or whatever with this like kind of website, fast money making schemes number out there. Mila talk straight with some. Another one thing that I want to talk about is Bitcoin, the Bitcoin scam, and so full implanting one Merrill or Facebook. You want to do Bitcoin trading. There is an application for Bitcoin trading. It's called Binance. It's one of the most trusted application. I left the link in the description below. You can go and check that link out and go sign up and learn how to trade and get yourself a Visa card at whatever bank you are using, BSP or Kina Bank or whatever, Westpac, and then you can do your online transactions into your to top up your Binance account, and from there you can use it to trade online, so like that. So online money making things are no easy or something. All man taking yes na struggle of much time invested, consistency gone all months achieve. Like myself too. So how me carry this like chronicles of HP come to such level, it's out of hard work, consistency and dedications that I came this far. And that's not the end of it. I'm still looking forward. I still have a lot to go, but as a brother and a countryman of Papua New Guinea, I still try to open my people's mind and tell them that kain kenol gaman website pull up. You go click number out na sim fast, you look balance will grow number out fast one. And more con balance nothing lo this website lo bank account balance blue. So don't waste your time, huh? Thank you very much for watching. For me still dropping plenty good content coming. Just today, 12th of February, I just reapplied for my YouTube monetization program because of one simple mistake that I did, and I got banned from monetization, and I stayed. Because of curiosity and trying to experiment things out. Me mistake na me, YouTube banning me off from monetization stuff gonna today after 6 months, 6 solid months now na today straight January 12 February 12 me waiting stop I'm come fire now straight na me reapply na me waiting confirmation email to YouTube will come back to me stuff. And that's all about YouTube. And I just want to thank you very much, all of you, my subscribers, for following, commenting, stuff. PayPal, many of you guys are asking for the PayPal account, how to sign up. I will still drop a video about this. I've been very busy. Gaman some part-time work yet me making it na me school same time me la running channel na sila kind of something na me blow up me stop go. So still I'll try to come up with whatever request that you guys are requesting for me to give make videos about. Thank you very much love, and stay blessed, kids.
Today is a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little grudges that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. Inaka, amene, anene, amene, wele ukotimbo kipindo, amene. That's what I say, what do I want pay? We should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah.